Time's finally here. We are on our way. We are off to Gaspe, out in Quebec. There's a vehicle, and there's the trailer. She looks a little low, but the front end is sitting up on a, you can't see it here, it's up on a hump, so it kind of goes down and up, but whatever, it works. There's actually a gap in that wheel well there once you get moving. So yeah, 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander V6 GT, 2007 aliner cabin A trailer. Hopefully we can make it. We just got news there's a hurricane heading towards the friggin' Atlantic right now, but the Atlantic provinces, see how she goes.
Sounds like an adventure to me.
Yep.
Turns out this thing gets a little less gas mileage than we thought when it's on the road with the trailer on the back. We just made it into Arn Prior by the skin of our teeth.
Holy crap, that's cutting her close. Check this out. That's disgusting. 288 kilometers on the friggin' highway. And that's what it cost me. Oh my god. And I even use mid-grade. I'm supposed to use super in this thing. Anyway, we're on Arn Prior here in Ontario. We're gonna head over to Zesty Shawarmas and get ourselves some grub before we hit the road again. There we go. God, I love this place. You know, I was okay back in the day before tire pressure monitors. They make me nervous. You know, like before back in the day, something goes a little off, you wouldn't know about it. Now you gotta friggin' know, so now you gotta pull over and fix the damn thing. We're getting, there we go. We're getting, I think we're right at the border of Quebec now. A lot of French signs out here. But try to get these things up to snuff. They're a little low, but not enough to care about, but according to the sensors, it is.
We're gonna go in the tunnel.
Been a long day. We are, well, it's not really a long day. It's been a good day. You know, Montreal, you can pave your roads any day now. They're brutal. But we are in a town called Gaspe, Quebec. We stopped at this place over here. We stopped for some poutine, some dinner. And they're awesome. They let us stay over here for the night. But we're having an issue that has to be fixed first thing in the morning. Guess no road trip's a real road trip unless you're having issues. It seems to be a typical one I happen to run into quite often.
At least it's not raining.
Yeah, I got this service the other day, and they had to take the cap off. And I go, it's not going to sit on right. I know it's going to come off. I know it. Yeah, sure enough, it came off. So we're going to have to go and nice pants. We're going to have to go and find ourselves a garage and get some probably bearing buddies or something like that to fix her up. And stupid me, I didn't pack my grease gun. I should have packed my damn grease gun. I knew something was gonna happen.
If you had packed your grease gun, it would be raining.
Well, raining is fine. Mechanical failure sucks. So anyway, yeah, so we'll see you guys in the morning. We're just gonna kick back, listen to some radio for a little bit there, and as soon as the sun comes up, we're gonna hit the road again, go get this thing fixed, and work our way out Highway 132 all the way out towards Gaspe. Oh, it's so nice out here right now, man. Like the weather. It's not cold. It's not hot. It just exists, man. It's just beautiful out tonight. Oh yeah, here's the place. Here's the place we're staying at. Awesome place, man. Really nice people let us stay here for the night. All the way across the parking lot. There we are.
See if we can get this bearing fixed. Hi, honey.
What's up?
Hey, honey.
Well, that was kind of cool. There's a freaking trailer shop like probably 3 minutes away. Let me tell you, sure feels good sitting inside somewhere eating. It's Quebec, you're a little farther ahead than Ontario. Yep, nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. So we're just holy shit. That was just stupid. I stopped at this place years ago. They've really simplified the collection. I think there was probably 8 times the amount of these. They used to go all the way around the perimeter. The whole place. There was tons of these things. Now they only got this.
Check that out. Oh my goodness. Right down to the water's edge of the St. Lawrence River. Isn't this beautiful? Okay, it's getting squishy. Oh my god, that thing is everywhere.